Easter Monday. He has risen. He has risen, and he lives forevermore. Oh, he has risen. He has risen, and he lives forevermore. He has risen. He has risen, and he lives forevermore. He has risen, 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 and he lives, and he lives, and he lives, and he lives forevermore. He's supposed to do it.
No, that not this kind of song now.
Did they end down like that? See, he has risen, and he lives forever. You get?
Yeah. No, you get how they take the end. I know just like the way you want me can take end.
Okay, my own sharp.
You want just sharp.
It did abrupt.
But now slow to song. Now you go fit end like that. Slow to song.
Well, good morning, Easter Monday. Welcome everybody to, of course.
Bros J don't raise up.
I tell you this thing. Welcome everybody to the stables of PADI with your guy Ogbolo and your girl Mayowa Olasof Day here to carry you onto the matter, onto PADI things. Thank you so much for all of now. They follow us for Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, all of now. Thank you so much. We love you too much. Blame you a kiss. Mwah! Cash it with your full conscience. You understand me now? So welcome to the show. Oh, you know, be 2000.
Are they?
No, 2000. Brotherly, everything is freshly
from
Jai.
Our guy. That guy lips. If he kiss you, man, go swallow your face. All right, welcome everybody. Happy Easter. How una weekend take go? We thank God. Say all of us join. See this particular Easter period like this, okay? But any which way, as the matter to be like this now, we was carrying to enter the gist. You know, me, I still dey under the whole P of the weekend. I mean, see hold me for body one kind, because we get plenty waka during the weekend. But anyway, we did to make sure we sunshine, plenty craze, plenty informate and every.
Yes, if you did for inside Lagos, you gonna know say over the weekend, AY Live been happen on top Sunday, and PL Look been happen on top Saturday, and then Stand Up Ninja happen on top Good Friday. That's one. What's happening now? What's happening now?
On the comedy P.
I tell you something. Comedy get together on top Friday. PL Look, that one a fashion show will happen on top Saturday, and then AY Live happen on Sunday. So now complete package.
Very, very busy weekend. Even me as a worker for all of them.
I tell you this thing.
So I tire, not be joke.
Yes. So we don't know what's going to happen today. Will be Monday. We feel just improvise our own. Have it catch your bed sleep day.
No, for me, I get one other church thing to go do. To go there to glorify the Lord.
Oh yeah.
Oh, glorify the Lord. 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 Sleep so here.
To finish it. Well, like this thing, look, you can in this new you cannot be starting something halfway this year.
But you say at the same time, you know if you start things in a stupid way.
No. This one no be stupid way, na halfway.
No,
as mean I do oh, that one a stupid way. But I do oh, that's the new way.
The new way. Or any which way. The new way. If that the new way be the way, make it shall be the way. Because this nonsense you sing just now, if not that one church they sing, forget nobody go make heaven.
Oh my God! While Ogbola has been very bit, we go just run match break for here. When we come back, we continue with Yandi and as usual, and give you all the gist that we will carry. Come meet you. This better ganch this morning. You know, say I'm from the London place, so my pidgin they did different. You understand? They get spice. You understand me now? It's not like some people that they've never passed the shots of their gates. You know, but we shall come back. When we come back, we'll give you all the gist we want here on top Yandi.
All liars go die for inside hellfire.
That's the problem with
when
you.
They come
you
back
see, very ratchet. See what you are saying.
Oh,
your love back.
People can try themselves. Why
No.
people know they respect themselves?
I try imagine that guy with his press center ground now.
He just bury him.
He just bury him straight, ends
bury
everything. Bim! But all these China people, they get some kind of different game.
Yeah.
When it comes to all this game, not them.
Not them now.
Not them.
They do run on top stone, run on top stone, dive, enter inside something, boom, and a game.
Na game. I don't see the one that they smoke cigar. Person smoke, we go far, pass, then win. If you see crowd, we fool that place.
To come smoke
to
cigar.
come see, they just carry them. Person smoke where they go, not those what they do with cigar. And people like young, they go no about all this particular ministry.
All right, we go enter the level of yan the yan. So when I go just suppose put the placard, yan the yan. Please, thank you very much.
Placard.
I did it among of them. I did it among of them.
Why call them placard?
I did it. All right, so this story we won't give una now. So, and let everybody say it is what? It is well. Because this story we won't give you now. There's this thing, you see, let me give you one new word. There's this thing they call an eco. You understand me? An eco. That's now when you get idea, but you didn't really very sure of your idea. But you want to now build another idea around your idea. You understand? That's eco. So this story we won't give you now is something like that. We go just eco because you are not very, the idea.
Today, you know what we call it today? We call today not so short day.
Not so short day.
Not so short day.
Eco idea is needed.
All the information we get for today, we are still waiting for a confirmation for the full gist. So we all give you small eco gist. You understand? So more just done like that.
Because anyway, maybe when I give una my first story, I go understand wetin I dey try explain, because una just dey look me like say I don't know wetin I dey talk. But when I begin give you the gist, only you go understand wetin I dey talk. All right, so now one person, now the name of the person we talk that thing, that one and another idea we never sure. You understand me now? He talk say in they spend nothing less than 10,000 to get in Brascomu size. Brascomu. That is, let me explain it for you. For people who don't know what to be a Brascomu, you see, in a woman body, there is this thing that is in the front place that used to come out as you have growing. So they used to hold it together so that when you wear clothes, it will fit. That thing that they used to hold
now brazier now. Why they explain like say they explain chemistry?
No problem.
Not be bra.
No problem. I don't say you no get sense.
Coste.
You know why I say you no get sense?
Why?
This gist now, you know the full story. You no go leave me make I elongate am.
Okay, now the bra explanation.
You no go leave me make I elongate the
sorry,
gist.
no verse, sorry.
You don't talk. It don't finish now. The gist don't finish. We don't know who talking. He said they spend. They spend 10,000 naira to.
Na Ronke Oshodi okay. 10,000 naira.
Una don't understand. It's okay. Auntie.
You go, they ask me for me. They ask me all this gist. You understand?
Auntie, you supposed spend like 17 million.
For all the many.
Because this is a nation.
10,000 naira worth of bra.
To fit get
her
one
own bra size.
No, but he do. Even somebody like Lolo, come on, she spend that amount to get one.
To get one.
Yes.
Did they swam?
My brother.
I be carpenter, they make
BB, my BB. They spend that kind of amount to get one.
Oh, BB too?
Yes.
What's in BB go they wear for waist?
Well, my brother, that is, look, that right now we're talking from the waist up.
Not the waist down.
Not the waist down.
Okay.
So, Auntie don't care. Wow. I mean, come on. She's a Yoruba actress. For those of you who don't know her, a Yoruba actress be, and you know, you can see that she's very voluptuous. The Lord has blessed her. Yeah.
10,000. I did think of how I want to spend 10,000 naira for boxers. Just to hold things together.
That boxers, the boxers go get in mind of your own. No?
Except the boxers get blink.
You get blink. See the eyes.
If they shine like this, maybe not the reason be that I will up 10,000.
Okay, what's happen? Your talk back they come out.
And at the same time, my head heavy.
No verse.
My head make bing.
Sorry, now groove, weekend groove, no verse.
Weekend groove. Based on the same gist we just talk just now, say we are not sure of it. Even on top of this matter, say we are not even sure who are talking it. husband and wife see say their pikin dey for problem, you understand? They can't look say no matter wetin e be, we are going to do everything, no matter wetin it costs to save our pikin life. It dey very, very important. Papa and mama come together to say we must save our pikin life. Mayowa, if you are a, why you dey do face like this?
Because I don't know how that one adjusts. Now, role of you as parents to save your pikin life.
I know some people will just come and come talk. And make it not be like say we not talk, we go just talk am.
Okay.
You understand? I mean today gist with you not forget.
Okay, so make I just flow with the gist.
Just flow along, you understand? Okay. But now role of parents in the first place, like you talked just now, to take care of him pikin. So if you can't come out now, see them. If you can't come out now, can't talk say.
Oh, maybe the pikin get some kind. The pikin no be normal.
Yeah, not today okay. Like, oh, I'm not talking.
Okay. You know talk that part.
Okay.
You know talk that
no, the
part.
pikin not today okay like that. You not too casual.
Okay.
You understand?
Oh,
he gets one kind
abnormal
exactly. You understand? If they see this call now, you go know how the pikin say be.
Oh God.
You understand? So the parents say they go do anything for this world to make sure say they take care of their pikin.
Oh.
You understand? You see this call now.
Just very voluptuous.
Exactly. Exactly.
You know, so they say monkey fine or you know fine or your mama like him.
At the end of the day.
I saw it be.
She born now. But how they look pikin when they just see pikin, they just born now, they all tell me, oh, this pikin is beautiful. Some they ugly. Oh.
You know, in this life, you have to take heart. There are some things that you just have to accept things. So even if you have to, they say as you see it, that's how it is. So you have to think yourself as fine, even if you are not fine. Just take heart.
That's to make the mama then happy. Oh, your baby's cute.
Oh, come on, you're gonna do
for your mind. Anyway,
go break now.
Go break.
But no, you just slow, you be like okra.
Oh yeah, go break. I they come back.
We they come back.